Yeah.
Hello, world.
What? Hey, yo, check it, man. The reason I said I just was thinking y'all could, if he tried to
Starter
jump on the rim.
replacement, y'all. Starter replacement. Very Motor World. How y'all doing? It's the White Ghost speaking, man. Stay tuned. Let me get it going for y'all.
Come and play with what's going on with your life. Once it all come into play, and you're in a real nice garage where you can actually act up and do shit and put it on YouTube. You can get your own show. You can run your own shop.
Right.
See, I ain't run a multifaceted shop, dog, that works on cars, that works on stereo systems. You know what I'm saying? Put rims on fucking people's cars. One of that kind of shop right there.
Yeah.
You do that shit easy, man.
Okay, y'all. We gotta remove this air snorkel. We're gonna unplug the battery first. Yeah, let me do that first. We're gonna plug the battery, and I think that's where the 13 they were saying something in there. Oh, he's not gonna start, so yeah, this is what I need. Cause that Powerhouse stuff, I be watching them all the time. Power Nation and all that stuff, how they be rebuilding the cars and
Oh yo, I watch
stuff.
Motor Trend, man. I watch Bitchin' Rides.
Yeah.
I watch fucking Texas Metal. Dude on Texas Metal's a beast though, dog.
You gotta push it out, push it down, rotate it. Alright. Hold in the way. Alright, you just press down on that, pull that off. And yes, that is 13. Them two go together. It's a red wire and a green wire. Those two go together, people. And then I guess fish it out the best way you can. There you have it. Alright. Up here and see what we can get. Stay tuned.